Alrighty. Number 5. When did you last sing to yourself or to someone else?
All the time. I sing all the time. And often I'll just make words up, which used to send people spare, especially my friends, because they're like, if you're gonna sing anything, can you just at least learn the words properly? And like, nah. I like my words, and if they can't get it, yeah. Anyway, you can kind of get the gist, but yeah, no. Generally, I kind of like to sing, and probably a karaoke machine is probably the worst nightmare on anyone's ears. In that, you know, everyone's a rock star, and you get a microphone in your hand, and you just have to sing. So yeah, pretty much, I'll just drop a tune whenever, but yeah, and I'm not going to do it now.
That's awesome. Go,
Karaoke event.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be there.
I wonder if that would work.
I'm going to answer the question. Last time I sang to myself, literally probably 5 minutes ago, but I quite often, the last time I can think of singing to myself was I was in the cemetery walking the dog, which is what I do most days. And I just, because there's no one around, I just sing, and actually will sing really loud in the cemetery. Usually musical theatre. So if anyone actually hears me, they'll be like, "What the fuck?"
Do you go there because you want an audience that can't complain?
That's right. Yeah, yeah.
Phantom of the cemetery.
That's right. Yeah, no, they're dead interested in
all the people are crying when they leave the cemetery.
Now. The last time I sang to someone else, I think I've told some of you this. Last Sunday, I was in a musical on Zoom. We performed a musical on Zoom called Into the Woods, if you know it.
Yeah.
And I played.
Boring movie.
Oh, it was awful. The movie was terrible, but it's not a bad show. Anyway, I was in it, and there was like 20 of us, and it was really fun, but it was terrible. It was terrible. But we just had a good laugh. So
was it recorded? Please tell me it was recorded.
It was recorded, but it will never see the light of day.
Oh.
My mum showed me this thing that people have been doing, like creative people have been doing in their spare time, and they've uploaded it to Facebook. They get like a book cover or a famous painting, and then they use bits and pieces from around the house to recreate that image.
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
I was so inspired. I was like, what can I create?
Do you have to be nominated with a painting?
No,
I don't think
do it.
I don't know.
Just find a painting you like.
There was a group of friends that just did a whole series of them. So
okay.
Just do it. Just follow the Facebook trend. Cat.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
Sleeping.
Yeah, no, I'm not like you guys. I don't. For some reason, I never sing to myself. I mean, I go to karaoke, but it's more like when I go to karaoke, I'll sing sad songs and soothe my soul.
Aww.
But that's it.
We need to have a happy karaoke night and get Pat singing.
Disney.
Bad cops, bad boys.
That's good.
I sing to myself all the time. Yeah, I've always got music going, and Buddy looks at me weird every time I do sing, so I don't know if it's good or not.
You're like, oh!
He hasn't done that though. No, he just looks at me weird. He's just like, yep, whatever. And to somebody else, I really can't remember. Buddy, does he work out?
It counts.
Well, during COVID-19, animals count as human company, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But for humans, it's been a while since I've sang in front of humans.
Now's your chance. I can teach you some lyrics to a song.
Is it Bad Boys?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
I mean, I could sing a Disney song if you want, but
I like the Magic Carpet Ride one.
it's called A Whole New World.
Oh no.
Magic Carpet Ride.
That's a really hard note to sing. New world.
It is.
It sounded like someone pressing the remote on the car.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
God.
the internet doing that to my voice.
You're part car, part human. All right.